Hey everyone, so this is a pot filler. Now let me just show you how this works. So if you have a pot on the stove, you can put it right under there and turn this little knob, and there you go, it's beginning to fill. So a little hard with one hand because I don't want to make a mess, but you get the idea. So that is how that works. Essentially this will go to any pot you have. So if you want to just obviously keep the pot on the stove, this will allow you to get water directly in the pot, so you do not have to bring it to the sink. So this will fold up very, very nicely like this when you're not using it. And yeah, I think it looks really cool. It obviously works really well. So basically this one is the master on off, and this is if you want to just turn it on directly from the spout. So basically if you're not gonna use it, you can close it like this, and then this one will not work. But if you turn it on, then this one will become active. So overall, I hope you like the review. And again, very good construction. I would highly recommend it.